Hey guys, today we're looking at this beautiful 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon with only 75,000 miles on it. And this car is in fantastic condition. As you can see, the truck simply looks unbelievably good. It's got those beautiful four matching wheels with great tread on them, BF Goodrich tires. You've got the beautiful white exterior. And if you can see here, these tires come with a full-size BF Goodrich spare and just a beautiful wheel. And you'll notice that there's very little scratches or signs of wear whatsoever on the car. The car was just traded into us by a family who we had originally sold the vehicle to, and they had over $4,000 worth of service records and receipts that we have at hand for this car. It is truly in excellent condition, both cosmetically and mechanically, and looks absolutely stunning. And you'll see there's that signature Ford grille, and they also put a lot of really good, really nice features in this car, including this aftermarket light bar here. They put this really beautiful running board, this Nerf running board on both sides of the vehicle. And as you can see, wheels are in great shape, lots of tread left, beautiful rotors, brakes are good, and man, this car is just beautiful. This car comes in the 5-speed manual transmission, and would you just take a look at that, folks? No signs of wear or tear whatsoever in the car, and it is beautiful. No dirt, nothing. There's the shifter for the transmission. Let's check out the back. Now this does come with a full soft top, which is brand new, included in the back here. I'll open up the back so you guys can see that. Yeah, here you have the entire soft top. So if you would like to change that for the summer months, or when the weather gets a little bit warmer, no problem. You got yourself the soft top, as well as your tow hitch right there. But yeah, in the back as well, car is just beautiful. This car was not taken for off-roading. It was used by a family whose daughter drove this back and forth to school every day, used very lightly. As far as features on the inside of the car, you've got your Jeep cruise control on the steering wheel. You've got your windshield wipers, standard, unique to Jeep. You got your window openers in the middle here. Your entertainment system, which is touchscreen. You can navigate between many different things, as well as USB and auxiliary, which is neat. And